Hello, hello. How are you, Fiona?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, great. Ready right now.
Right. Okay. Shall we have another go?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Going to
Right.
start.
Shall
Another
we?
session. 5 minutes, as I mentioned. First week is gonna be 5 minutes. So this is our day 2.
Okay.
Dog,
Ready to
down
go.
dog yoga challenge. So first, again, stand up position. Try to warm all your muscles, and also try to control your breath. That's a really good way to improve your breathing as well as flexibility in your body. Inhale, arms up, and slowly exhale, just relax. And again, inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, and slowly exhale. And one more. And now, opposite direction. So try to mobilize your shoulders, joints, warm your muscles in your arms, your chest. Inhale up and slowly exhale. And 2 more. Inhale, slowly exhale. And 1 more. And relax. Engage your abdominal muscles, squeeze your buttocks area. And now bend to your right side. Feel nice stretching your left. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Left arm straight, reaching high. Really feel the stretch on your left side. Great movement for healthy spine, strong core, and lower back pain free. Inhale and slowly exhale. Relax. Now your right arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale to your left. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and slowly exhale. And relax. Okay, lift your arms. When you exhale, bend your knees, slowly fold forward. Hips really low so you can reach to the floor. And slowly step back, bring your knees down. And now, tuck those under, arch your back, so you're pushing belly to the floor. Look forward, and when you exhale, opposite direction, head down, movement from your hips to stretch lower back, and then press your feet to the floor. With your own breaths, inhale, and slowly exhale. Another great stretching for your lower back. If someone has stiff muscles or back pain, that's a good movement to do. Okay, with your toes tucked under, inhale. As you exhale, first lift your knees and push your body back. Inhale on your 4. And slowly exhale again, lift. Feel the stretch in your upper body, your arms, upper back, glutes, and we strengthen your legs and your arms. Maybe one more. And now slowly let's lay down on the floor. Could be with your forearms, depends how is your lower back condition. Okay, if you've never done yoga before, probably on your forearms, that would be a good option to do right now. Or hands underneath your shoulders. And you're trying to lift your shoulders higher. Inhale. And slowly exhale. So slowly stretching your muscles in your upper body. And mobilize your lower back. Squeeze your glutes to build the strength in your lumbar area. And one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Bring your forearms and slowly let's move towards your knees in child pose. Could be with your hips higher. Maybe someone prefers your toes stuck under, so you've got support for your hips. If someone is more flexible, feet flat, so you can bring your hips lower on your elbows, or could be straight arms. Okay. Right, yeah, you can stay, enjoy the stretching for longer. That's a good stretch for your upper body to correct your posture, also stretching nicely, lower back and your glutes area. And yeah, this is our day 2. Still 5 minutes. We're slowly building strength in your upper body, improve the flexibility in your lower back, your chest too. Try later on the transition down and up dog as a sequence, but we need the foundation first, and we like to encourage people who never done yoga before. That's why looks, yeah, we're not doing anything, just try and yeah, let us know, leave it the comment below, how was it, because you're for sure going to feel good stretch, and gradually we're going to increase the time of the session of the exercise movement, and we try to link them in the interesting flow. How are you feeling, Fiona, now?
Okay, thank you. That was great.
Fantastic.
See you soon.
Yeah,
Thank
see you
you.
soon. Have a nice day. Bye. See you tomorrow
See you
for day
tomorrow.
3. Bye.
Bye-bye.